Hello, friends. Running kimono. So, who doesn't want some free food right now? It sounds pretty good to me. Well, IBOTTA, one of the shopping apps that we use as extreme couponers, are giving away a whole host of free food. There is a catch to this, though, so we're going to walk through all of the steps. But this is what's up for grabs. We're just going to go through the list firstly that include a Red Baron pizza, an 8-pack of bubbly. They are pulling out the stops with that fanciness. We have some Lighthouse Ranch. And look at these price points, $3.79. Some Mission Round Chips, some Sharp Cheddar Cheese by Kraft, and then some Toll House cookies. So they're trying to create the perfect Super Bowl feast, and it looks really nice, but there is a catch to this. So I'm going to share what I've discovered so far. So, what it says in the app is refer a friend and get 100% cash back on your big game snacks when your friend registers by February the 12th. So, I think the Super Bowl is on the 13th, plus $10 for each friend you refer after that. Invite friends. So, you have to invite a friend in lieu to get this feast of food, and it's quite a few things. It's not just like one chintzy things. This is very reminiscent of the Thanksgiving thing that they do. So with hyperinflation, the cost of food, and everything that's going on right now in the world, I think this is very cool what IBOTTA is doing. I think this is really awesome. So just for fun, I typed in the math, and this is $20.84 of free food, especially with what's going on in the world right now where, the markup on food, it's insane. I feel like I'm living back in Canada. Some of the prices I see on food right now, it is like very, very, very expensive, the inflation. So this is kind of like a nice little gift smack dab in the dead of winter. So I bought a tip of the hat to you. I think this is super, super cool. And I know a lot of you are looking for something for free. Now, I did not refer a single friend today. I have no friends. But I did have one free item, which was the pizza. So if you think about it, like that's probably one of the best items there. And it's $4.49. So if you go to your IBOTTA account at the very bottom on the front page, there's like a gallery of free items or BOGO 50% off items or BOGO free items. And this is there for me. The other 5 items not included, but this was. And you're able to get this at Walmart, Meijer, Rite Aid, and Walgreens. So it's not just a Walmart little dealio. It's at these other stores too. So wherever you like to shop, obviously it's probably the cheapest over at Walmart. So if you've been on the fence about signing up for IBOTTA, today is the day to do it. You'll sign up and then you'll be rewarded these 6 items. This is for new signups only. And if you are a longstanding member or already have an account, refer a friend. Find a friend, a person at work, a person at church, just a friend. Get them to sign up, and when they submit their first qualifying receipt, you're going to get these 6. So, make it happen. And if you want to sign up with my little IBOTTA team, check out the link in the notes. But to get 6 items right now, especially when food is so expensive, it's enough to make you cry in the store. I bought groceries twice this week, and for myself and my husband, it was just over $200, and we're not eating caviar and the most expensive cheeses from France. We're just getting basic stuff, and this inflation stuff, like I was saying, I feel like I'm back in Canada. Some of these prices, it's crazy. So IBOTTA, I think this is super cool what you've done, and refer somebody, guys. At the very least, get the free pizza, and if not, refer a friend, refer someone so you can get these goodies by the 12th of February. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.